Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So I personally loved this one, so I picked it up. So this is the Ford F-150 Lightning Custom, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is uh, from the P case if I'm not wrong. So I bought this for 149 rupees, so that's the MRP. So again, don't buy it from the scalpers. If you want help, just please connect with me on my group, or at least comment me in this video. I will help you out at my best to buy it in MRP for you guys. Okay, let's unbox this and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. Okay, the first impressions are this looks really beautiful. The paint job looks really nice. So it's a glittery blue, and the good thing is they have some kind of fiber for the headlights, which is really amazing. The body kit really slaps. I wish they made this as a treasure hunt in this series, but no. The Dodge Ram, I think Dodge Ram is the treasure hunt in this one. I do have that one. I will be unboxing this in the upcoming days. So this looks really nice. Chromed out interior. The paint job and detailing all are nice in this one. Even the rear, the tail lamps having some kind of fiber instead of just painted out. This one has really nice detailing to it, and it does have rear view mirrors, so which I didn't expect in a 149 rupees Hot Wheels car. Okay, let's do a roll test on this one. That is smooth, and that is, I didn't push it that fast, but it still rolls. It has good endurance. This is nice. It rolls really well. It doesn't have much weight to it, but it rolls really well. The wheels doesn't wobble that much. The casting looks really beautiful. Paint job is really amazing on this one. So my personal suggestion would be go and pick this up if you are, if you left it out during your hunt. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.